How to clear WeChat storage space. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'll show you how you can clear your storage space in your WeChat. Let's dive right in. Open up your WeChat app, head over to your profile in the bottom right corner, go to settings. There, under General, tap on Storage. Now, here you can see cache option. You can clear it. This will also help to clear some of your storage. And then you can see chat history. You can tap on Manage. And then you can sort by file size or chat size. And then you can tap on it and delete. Uh, and this will free up some space as well. Similarly, you can do it with resource files, chat history from other accounts, and other necessary files. So just hit clear and then your storage space will be cleared. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.